The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tippah County in northeastern Mississippi, central Benton County in northeastern Mississippi, northwestern Alcorn County in northeastern Mississippi, Hardeman County in West Tennessee, western McNairy County in West Tennessee, south central Madison County in West Tennessee, southwestern Chester County in West Tennessee, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gravestown, or 8 miles northwest of Ripley, moving north at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Collegiate, Snow Lake Shores, Murray, Brody, Pine Top, Massaville, New Canaan, Uptonville, Fullerton, Hickory Corners, Bethel, Typlersville, Rogers Springs, Hornsby, Lisbon, Woodville, SRE Springs, Brownfield, Deanburg, and Montezuma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeastern and northwestern Mississippi and West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Alcorn, Benton, and Tippah, and the following counties in Tennessee: Chester, Hardeman, Madison, and McNairy.